Take mixing to a whole new level of professional performance and cordless convenience with the Cuisinart Evolution X Cordless Hand Mixer. 5 variable speeds with LED display controls allow you to perform any mixing task quickly and efficiently with a quick 2-hour charge for 20 minutes of continuous runtime. The compact yet powerful mixer has removable beaters for whipping cream, beating eggs, mixing batter, and more. The rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery won't lose its charge over time and is powerful enough to work through cookie dough. A 3-foot removable USB cable port allows you to move around the kitchen with ease. When the hand mixer is not in use, the heel rest allows the mixer to rest upright. Create delectable breakfast, desserts, and crowd-pleasing sides with the textured grip handle, which creates stress-free comfort and control during mixing. The removable beaters are dishwasher safe and designed with no center post to prevent ingredients from clogging up the beaters. Enjoy the ease of cooking with the Cuisinart Evolution X Cordless Hand Mixer.
Turn mundane into magic with the BLACK+DECKER Kitchen Wand. The 6-in-1 cordless multi-tool. Morning cappuccino? Now let's get whisking. Spice things up. Then simmer down. Now it's time for a treat. Make that 2. And cleanup's a breeze. So go ahead and enjoy the moments. Made easier with the BLACK+DECKER Kitchen Wand. The ultimate kitchen sidekick.